Princess Diana's brother prepares to give evidence in court today over BBC cover-up. Earl Spencer is set to deny having any involvement in providing bank statements used by journalist Martin Basher to secure the infamous 1995 Panorama interview with Princess Diana. The interview, which was watched by more than 20 million people, shocked the world with Diana's revelations about her marriage to Prince Charles, his affair with Camilla Parker Bowles, and her own struggles with bulimia and depression. But the interview has been mired in controversy ever since, as it emerged that Basher had used forged documents and deception to persuade Earl Spencer to introduce him to his sister. Last year, an independent inquiry led by Lord Dyson concluded that Basher had acted in a deceitful and dishonest way, and that the BBC had failed to investigate the matter properly and had covered up his wrongdoing. The BBC apologized unconditionally for the way the interview was obtained and vowed to never broadcast it again or license it to any other broadcaster. Earl Spencer has also linked the interview to Diana's death in a car crash in Paris in 1997, saying that it contributed to her fear, paranoia and isolation in her final years. He is now expected to give evidence in a civil case brought by Alan Waller, his former head of security, who claims that Basher used false information about him in the fabricated bank statements. Waller says that Basher made him look like he was spying on Diana and selling information about her to the media, which damaged his reputation and business ventures. He is suing Basher and the BBC for breach of privacy and confidence and is seeking damages and an apology. Basher has denied any wrongdoing and has said that he is deeply sorry for the impact of the interview on Diana and her family. The BBC has already settled with Waller and apologized to him for the false information in the bank statements. The trial is expected to last for several weeks and will hear from witnesses including former BBC executives, journalists, and royal experts. The case could shed more light on one of the most controversial episodes in British media history and its consequences for the royal family and Princess Diana's legacy.